Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your email in Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to change your email in Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app. So once you tap open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the me icon. Once you do so, you need to now tap on the settings option, and after you do this, you need to now simply tap on manage my account. Once you do so, you will find the email section right over there. So simply tap on it and tap on the change option. So once you tap on change, you will receive a verification code in your email address. So once you type in the verification code and follow the on-screen prompts, you will be successfully able to change your email address in Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.